Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to learn phonic sounds of English alphabets. Do you want to learn? Okay, now let's start it. So this is alphabet A, and the phonic sound of alphabet A is A. A, apple. B, beaver, ball. C, seeker, cat. D, deeder, duck. Deeder, dog. E, egg. Elephant. This is F. Phonic sound of alphabet F is F. F, fish. F, frog. Now this is G. Jigger, grapes. Jigger, girl. H, hut. H, hat. I, ice cream. Ink pot. This is J. Jar. Joker. K, cake, kite. L, leaf. L, lion. L, lock. This is M. Mango. M, monkey. N, nose. N, necklace. O, orange. O, owl. And this is P. Peeper, pencil. Peeper, parrot. Q, queen. R, rainbow. R, rat. S, sun. S, ship. T, tree. Tiger. U, umbrella. Umbrella. V, weaver, van. W, watch. X, xylophone. Xmas tree. Y, yak. Yo-yo. Z, zoo. Zigzag. So these are the phonic sounds of English alphabets. Hope you learned it, kids.